Hello everyone, my name is Krista Dixon. Today I'll be teaching you about the features of the first and second cervical vertebrae and some general features that exist in the rest of the spine. The cervical vertebrae 1 looks like this in its superior position. This side is the anterior and this side is the posterior. A tip for telling which way is superior: you'll be able to see that the superior articular facets are kidney bean shape and the inferior articular facets are oval shape. Now, the facet for the dens also points in the inferior direction. The bone that sticks out to the right and left are called the transverse processes, so right here and right here. And then these small holes here and here are called the transverse foramen. The bone that connects the superior articular facets is the lamina, and that is cervical number 1. Here is cervical number 2. This one is unique because it has a dens and a body. You'll always be able to tell which way which way it is supposed to go because the dens faces in a superior direction. Also, you'll be able to tell that the superior articular facets sort of look like a scapula, like the shape of a scapula. And another way that you'll be able to tell which direction it is supposed to go is if you look at the transverse process. It goes in a inferior direction. Now that these transverse processes, they also have holes, which are also known as the transverse foramen. And this right here is the vertebral foramen. Here and here is the lamina. This is the spinous process. And then if you look on if you turn it over, you can see that there is the inferior articular facets. And that is how you'd be able to identify cervical vertebrae number 2. Now, here is a thoracic vertebrae. Now that you can see that there's a body right here, the body is pretty big. And then we also have a big vertebral foramen. And then here we have the transverse process that sticks out in these directions. And then we also have the superior articular facet here, and then one over here. And then, like the other ones, we also have a lamina, which is right here and here. And then this is the spinous process. And then we also have the inferior articular facets on this side and this side. And we also have the intervertebral notch. Now that is just the general features that you can find in the rest of the spine. Thank you very much for watching.